Friends, I've started the series called Ask Toronto Drivers. In this series, you can feel free to ask me any question related to driving or passing the road test. A lot of people ask me questions related to driving. I thought I would make a video series so that it can help other viewers know the answers to those questions. So the first question that we have in this series is by Navneet Kaur. She wants to know whether she will be asked to parallel park on the left-hand side of the road on the road test. Well, the answer to this question is no, because we only drive on the right-hand side and therefore we park on the right-hand side. Well, there are certain exceptions where you park on the left-hand side of the road, but we go by what we mostly do, and that is what they want to test you on, what you mostly do. So you mostly park on the right-hand side, you drive on the right-hand side, and that is why they will ask you to park only on the right-hand side and not on the left-hand side. Now, why did I make a video on how to park on the left-hand side? That is because sometimes you have to park on the left-hand side, and in some countries people park and drive on the left-hand side, and they want to park on the left-hand side. So to help those viewers, I made a video on how to park on the left-hand side. So do not get confused by it. The answer to the question is that no, you will not be asked to park on the left-hand side, parallel park on the left-hand side on your road test. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again with another video. So if you have any questions, so make sure you leave a comment down below, and I'll try to answer your question through a video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again.